court has valid authority not to sworn Tinubu in on May 29th due to some requirements. Sam Amadi, welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. Please subscribe to our channel. To get notified when we post hot juicy news updates, please click on the notification bell. In advance of a legal dispute between P2B of the Labour Party, Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party, and Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress (APC) over the result of a recently concluded presidential election. Vanguard reports that the renowned attorney and political analyst Dr. Sam Amadi raised the pressing question of whether the INEC declared candidate must be sworn in. It is not necessary to swear to the candidate announced by INEC, according to Sam Amadi. The president-elect will no longer be president-elect if the court exercises its legal jurisdiction to halt this declaration, unless the Supreme Court upholds INEC announcement. First, the party select the candidate, then the electorate casts their ballots, then INEC announces the winner, and finally the court accepts or rejects the winner, all as specified by the Constitution. What can you say about this? Well, for inside this matter, then they talk, say, is it possible, say, they no go swear Tinubu in. They can decide, say, if court say, this thing wey INEC do, you know, they okay. Say, then is it possible, say, they no go swear the president select in. So now we're seeing him, they talk. See, unless Supreme Court say, as INEC don't declare, say, this man a president select, I mean, elect, now so it go be. And I'm just wondering, I am still wondering, and I'm still thinking, why am I not hearing my Lord, may I, my Lord? You know those times where they say court people, they do. Why? This is just like play, May 29th when they reach you. Or people don't understand what I'm talking about. Like play, May 29th when they reach. So what exactly is the problem? Why are we not hearing issues? By now, I think everywhere go on the hot. People where we say hot peace go ho. You know when you there for inside court case they go on. Each of the parties their blood go down the hot. I think say we go there for that stage. But I can't know why everywhere come quiet like this. Maybe they look sharp. Maybe they look. In my opinion, since the INEC select candidate was pronounced by the so-called Prof. Mahmood, it does not mean he must be sworn in as far as he doesn't get the 25%. Yes, that is exactly what the man is still saying. That it is not a must. Meaning, if the court say you no agree, say they no be waiting, he no get what he supposed get. You no go swear I'm in be that now. That is what this man is saying, Mr. Sam Amadi. That's what he's saying. That is what he's saying. The court can say, okay, this thing where they do na selection, no be election. Say make INEC bring the true results come aside. And then if they bring them, if the court look and say, okay, the true results wey dey there no be Tinubu get am. I just dey talk. I'm saying if nobody should come for me. So if INEC come bring am, it can't be say the Tinubu wey dem dey there. Maybe they use pencil write a name, or maybe they use cheapest clean person name where they under come write the own on top. Say now wetin court talk, but we are still looking. The thing is, people do not even have faith in this court. I don't blame them. The judiciary has been ridiculed to, as in they have been ridiculed to, you know, one group of amateur lawyers they. Now, so they don't reduce the judiciary to. We don't have a president that's, you know, if courts give order, that thing don't remain law. In saner countries or in developed countries, immediately court talk, who are you? Who you? Court say maybe you speed, the court give you, then ticket give you, court say maybe then go give you. You ignore the ticket. Hey, see where you go use your 6 month salary. They pay, they clear fine. Nobody go follow you argue. Nobody go follow you argue. So we are just hoping. And the thing is, the judiciary has been ridiculed to nothing. They have been bullied. A lot of plenty things don't happen. No, a lot. That is why people do not even have that kind of a faith in the judiciary anymore. Yes, it is possible, but can the presidency obey the court? That is the real question. Will they obey the court? Because you see, as these people that they call obedient movement, you see as they use the obedience, then say if the results, you people should go to court. These people quietly, they march majestically, go court. Now the thing is, I hope when they now give any other idea, nobody will come now say Aligba. That is what I'm saying. Hope nobody will now be saying I'm in the zoo, I'm living in the zoo, baboon. I just hope it will not get to that point where I really go come enter the thing. You see how these people that they are always accused of, they always accusing these people of being violent. Yet now then they come. Okay. Obi is the incoming president. What figure of speech is this? The judiciary should do the needful as the way of democracy. Well, I can understand that in terms of ours is an abracadabra situation in which the more you see or hear, the less you understand. As such, even the third place winner is claiming victory. Well, I don't talk my own. It is very possible. If Tinubu really no win, if the APC no win the election, and they find out say they no win because of some things. Now, my own is, we are now caught in between. Is there going to be a rerun? Or they go bring out the real results of the election? Because me, I feel so that the real result of the election is very important. I mean, the one where we say they no cancel, they no clean. Magomago know them because some of the results we see where they put, where they cancel, they write 20, come cancel and write 80 something. Or we see where we say they clean 80, come cancel and come write 18. Or many kind of things they happen. So remember, INEC is aware that Obi won the election. You are saying nonsense. How could Obi won the election when he's the third runner-up? If you are to judge by hierarchy, it was Atiku because he's the second runner-up, while Obi is the third runner-up. That is a confusion the Igbo would turn Nigeria into that they are showing now. Why anything? Go just come outside they call these people name. Who voted for Atiku for him to come second? What you don't know is that 60% of the Yorubas and Northerners voted for B. What exactly is INEC afraid of that made them not to transmit the election results electronically? My dear, if you ask me, who I go ask? The Supreme Court is supreme in all matters of the constitutional law, and all the conflicts arising from disputes of actualization of the relevant sections of the law dealing specifically with the Constitution. Elections are one of them. Who is there saying the opposite of the provision of the Supreme Court over matters in which it has jurisdiction? Yes, the Supreme Court is to the extent of its power supreme over all the subject matters under the law. Make we just sit down, they watch the series by series where we say APC and INEC, they produce for us. Make us not go anywhere. Alright, on this note, we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for turning